This tutorial accompanies the Lady Katherine Regency gown pattern. The pattern is available on our website in print or as a PDF download in sizes 0 through 30. The link is in the description. I will show you in this tutorial how to sew the shoulder straps. The pattern piece is marked to indicate the front shoulder seam, the back shoulder seam, the neck edge, and armhole edge. This should help you orient the shoulder straps to the bodice in the right direction. Transfer the dots from the pattern pieces onto the fabric and clip the notches. With right sides together, place the shoulder strap on the bodice at the shoulder seam and match the notches. I did the front first and then the back, but the order doesn't matter. The dots on the shoulder straps should line up with the neck edge of the bodice. Let's take it to the sewing machine. Sew each seam with the bodice facing up so that you can end the stitching at the edge of the neckline. The angle of this seam is important because it affects how it hangs on your body. You'll want to pay attention to this when you sew your mock-up. Again, I started with the front seam, and now I'm going to do the back. Sew this seam in the same way with the bodice facing up and stop stitching at the neck edge. The angle of this seam is also important, and you'll want to pay attention to this one as well when you try on your mock-up. If you sewed the seam correctly, it should look like this. You can trim the seams and press them up toward the shoulder strap. You can also do this part later after you sew the shoulder strap facing. To prepare the shoulder strap facing, press under 5/8 inch of the armhole edge, like you see here. With right sides together, place the shoulder strap facing onto the shoulder strap that is already sewn on the bodice and pin along the neck edge. Let's take it to the sewing machine. Sew a 5/8 inch seam between the dots. In other words, start your stitching at one dot and end at the other dot. Trim the seam to about 3/8 inch. Fold and press 5/8 inch of the edge of the shoulder strap facing like you see here. Do this on the front and the back. After you sew in the sleeves, you'll turn the facing to the inside and whip stitch it to the armhole seam. Check out our other Lady Katherine pattern videos for help with the shoulder straps and skirt cores.